Hey everyone, it's French Fries Yarn, and today I'm going to show you how to create the magic circle. This is also known as a magic ring and a cinch circle. First, we will make a loop with the working yarn on top of the tail end. Then, grab your hook and enter it through the top of the loop. Grab the working yarn and pull through, and do not close the circle up, we will leave it as is. What I like to do is yarn over and pull through to create a slip stitch. I do this so it's easier to work with the circle. Now we will create 6 single crochets into the circle. Enter through the circle, yarn over, pull through, and we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And this is the single crochet. Now we will create 5 more. This is the second single crochet. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And sixth. Next, we will pull the end of the tail tightly to close the circle up. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you learned something from me, and thank you for watching and have a nice day.